G'day guys, Mark from TAT, the Automotive Technician. Today I'd like to share with you a TAT Tech tip. You may or may not know this simple trick about testing for wire integrity and the processor in the ECU actually working or not. So I've used this method several times on different sensors, particularly the style that has a 5-volt reference together with a ground and a signal. And in this particular case, it's a Kia that I'm working on, and I've got the map sensor off, and I've got the signal wire probe with it disconnected. And looking on a wiring diagram, as you can see here, it's actually a blue-orange wire that I've probed. As I stated, I've got the sensor disconnected, and I've gone into that signal wire. I've also got in line, I have a test light, an incandescent one, globe, as you can see. And if I just pop that onto the negative side of my battery, you can see on the screen there that it has dropped right down to 0. Now I'm using this as a resistor, of course. I can actually use my own body as a resistor. So if I touch this side and I touch a good ground, you can see that it drops down straight away. Off and on, and that there is proving integrity of the wiring as well as the processor responding accordingly. That's a quick trick that makes your day a little bit easier. Keep in mind, on our TAT site there are a range of videos that will give you guidance in testing procedures, etc. Of course, there's a whole heap of webinars on there too. So spend some time on the TAT site, the website, to make the best of your membership. So until next time we catch up on another video, this is Mark from TAT signing off. I'll catch you later.